White dot. A white dot. White dot. Chat. Chat. Hey, chat. I like that shit. I like that. You go. Don't run, honey. Oh, you good, hell no. Oh.
GTA shit. You got a parlay and you fall.
Parlay. Oh, shit.
I can't say what we did in them hotties, nigga. When we spin, we gon' catch us a body. Won't turn myself in, police come find me. Sliding on the house, but them niggas still high. Bitch strapped in the boot, can't lie, been locked in. I'm number one, I can't be top 10. Won't be famous, just put them on Fox. She pull it, she twisted, I hit it, she bop it.
Hey, yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, ShottaFlowChris, and I'm back with another video. Check me out, man. Look, it's goddamn snow everywhere, cuz. Look, G. You know what I'm saying? I'm goddamn, I gotta walk all the way up the hill and shit, right? In this motherfucking snow. I gotta walk all the way up this hill. This nigga Pat, he can't make it down the hill, so I gotta goddamn, you know what I'm saying, walk my happy ass all the way up this motherfucker hill. Look at him. Hold on, I'm gonna wait, cause it's a motherfucking random. It's a motherfucking random in the motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? But hell yeah, gang, we just going sledding and shit. Finna hit the hill. It's a little cold for this shit. Oh, he's tripping. Look at this nigga. Oh, dang, him. I'm goddamn fried. I gotta make it, cuz. Look at this nigga. Okay, there you go. Look. That nigga. I gotta walk my happy ass all the way up there. You know what I'm saying? But fuck, boy. I'm tired of shit already. Look, like I said, nigga. We going sledding and shit. Me, Pat, I don't know if it's Trig here or Puda, but Key and K already meeting us at the hill though. So look though. I'm pulling up to the car. Pulling up to the whip right now. I'm gonna get in this bitch word. And then when we get to the hill, I'm gonna pick this bitch back up, gang. Cause I ain't got no boots, folks. Look,
I got boots on.
check, nigga, we outside, gang. Motherfucking snow and shit. That nigga King K the Great out here. Got that nigga pulled out the 9, nigga. And then, alright, wait, I got autofocus my shit. Alright. There we go.
Hey, I'm putting 2 pairs on.
Why my shit not focusing? Oh, there you go. Thought my shit was tripping. Yeah, boy, we out here. Wait, you got them sleds, nigga?
Yeah. Damn, small your feet back. You cold as a bitch, gang.
Yeah, they
look, you see me?
It is what it is, though.
Hey, you see me?
Okay.
Got the work boots on.
You see, like, look at the work. Me and Poot out here in fucking sneakers, gang. Bro, this shit hard, bro. Nigga gotta shoot music video out here in that snow, gang. Try to take.
Yep, my face getting cold.
Shit, I need some long shit, nigga. Alright, let me get some long shit.
Damn, no handles either.
Get some long shit, nigga. I'm about to burn some
no
shit.
handles, gang.
Wait, no handles. Okay. Damn, I should've left my phone or something. Oh, I got inside pockets. I'm good, folks.
Hey, man.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, I ain't know that was a slip.
Yeah, I'm about to bust my ass on this shit.
Nah, don't bust your ass, folks. We gotta get to it, gang. Nah, me either, nigga. I ain't never slid a day in my life.
What? You went last year?
No, I didn't. You remember? Y'all left me. I was working at ACT.
Oh God, yeah, you was. You right.
Niggas got gone on my ass. I'm really fried though in sneakers, G.
My feet cold.
I already feel that bitch in my toes, folks. I'm gonna get trench foot. Niggas don't know what trench foot is.
Dip is gonna get you.
What the fuck you mean the dip gonna get you?
Look, that's what I said.
Case and go down.
No, look. That's what I said. You can go all the way on the other side. You standing up.
What I'm supposed to do?
You lay down, sit down.
Oh, you sitting down?
Oh, you gotta stand up.
I was gonna stand up with it, P.
I'm over there. Y'all standing up?
I thought we were standing up with it.
No, nigga. I don't know about this game.
Yeah, nah, I ain't gonna lie. That's kind of dumb. Nah, that's kind of dumb. I ain't gonna lie. Look at it here. Wait, Pat, don't do it, bro.
You got to go on your stomach or your down.
Put my foot. Oh no. Oh my God, pulled out the 9, folks. Look at the dip. Boom! Oh my God.
I ain't got no hands.
Nah, I ain't gonna be able to do that. I can't go. Nah, hell nah. No, hell nah. I'm scared already.
I ain't got no handles. I gonna have to go down like this.
Huh?
That's why I said you can go over there.
I don't want that dip. I don't want that dip. No fool.
Get the dip, gang.
Nah, gang, I ain't lying, bro.
Dip,
I don't want that dip.
I
gang.
stand up if you go down on a dip.
I can't hit that. I gotta ask Poodle how that dip felt. Cause that shit look like it hurt.
You go down too.
And I got the camera. That shit look like it hurt, nigga. Point of view,
Come on, gang, I
nigga.
got you.
What? I want the point of view. Like I want to bring the camera with me.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know about that dip though, gang.
Hurt though, bro.
Yeah, Pat tripping.
I don't know about that. I'm gonna bust my ass.
Chat ain't gonna lie, I'm pussy right now.
If you do it, I'll do it.
I'm pussy right now. I need to see K hit that hole.
You got this.
Shit.
I'm gone.
Hit that hole, K. I need to see you hit that hole before I hit it, gang. I'm scared right now. I ain't lying. Nigga, I'm scared.
Hey, they try to get me to do it too.
Chat, nigga, I'm scared to really go. That shit, y'all seen Poodle, bro. That shit look like it hurt, folks.
You gotta do it too.
Let me see K get on. Damn.
He going slow.
I went fast.
Yeah, you went pretty fast, man.
Yeah, I'm going with K went, folks. I'm going with K went, folks.
You posted this?
What you mean? This YouTube, nigga.
Alright, fuck it, YouTube.
Yeah, this YouTube.
What I'm about to do.
Okay, go ahead.
Got a parlay and he falls.
Parlay. Oh, shit! Oh, he's wildin'. You good?
Fuck, I would have made buku money on that parlay.
Boy, I'm scared as hell, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I'm scared, cuz.
I would have made buku money on that parlay just now. You want me to record you?
I'm scared, bro. Yeah, I'll probably. Damn.
I ain't lying, bro.
That shit don't hurt.
You should run and then slide with it.
That's what you did, nigga.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That hurt, Pat?
No, bro, just do it.
Nah, I can't. I gotta start.
Bro, stop being pissed.
I'm
bro,
beginner
do
with
it.
this shit, gang. Let me goddamn.
Bro, just do it, gang.
I'm about to just go regular.
Brother, just go. You gotta run with it, bro. Don't be pussy, bro.
I gotta do what K did, gang. I ain't gonna lie.
Just go.
Huh? I gotta do what K did, nigga.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's slowing his back up.
Fat ass. I ain't lying, you almost had it. You fell a little.
It's that dip. The dip got me. The dip got me.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm going back down this motherfucker.
How you feeling?
Chat. Now would you rate that 1 to 10? I wiped out.
Yeah, you wiped out.
Wiped out.
At the end.
It is what it is, though.
You look like Peter Griffin going down the hill.
What the fuck you mean?
Bro, you ever seen a Shrek movie when he put on a night helmet? That's what you look like right now, bro.
Wow. Wow. With this, okay, with the skin. Put my hood up then. How about that, nigga? Come on, get right. Or you on break?
Oh, that hill.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Don't look at me. I'm still out of breath.
Oh, yeah. Bro, my hands is frozen.
I
can't even flip
without
this.
the gloves.
Huh?
Better off without the gloves, gang.
No, it's just we got latex gloves.
GTA shit, you feel?
Oh.
I ain't got nothing to hold on to though.
I was holding on to the ends, gang.
I'm gonna have to do it backwards and hold on to these. I'm about to try to hit K.
Oh, go! Ow! This shit not freezing? Shit, my hand's so cold I can't even flip my screen, gang. Like, oh, where P at? Oh, he right there. I have fallen and I can't get up.
It's fucking.
Somebody followed me. You good, P?
Hell no!
You know what I'm saying? Chop with that bitch.
Oh yeah! You got to bust his ass. You found out? Yeah. I'm out of breath.
Yeah, what?
Hey.
You never lied though, bro.
Hey. You get about 3 or 4 in you, you just got done.
That's what I'm saying. Hey, that's why I was telling smoke. Shit. About 3 or 4. Maybe 5.
Yeah, Come on, man. If I can do it, you can do it.
Shit, I ain't doing that. Hell no.
Oh, yo! Damn! He did all the extra rolling though. Alright, Smoke, your turn. Who just did it? Hey, shot again. Look. It's so fucking cold out here. I'm ready to go home and drink. To warm up. Fuck the shower. Nah, I'm bullshitting y'all. You gotta take a shower. You gotta have to cut that part out. But it's really time to go drink. He'll let you know. Hey, what time it is? What time it is?
I can't feel my hand.
Hey, what time it is?
What?
What time it is?
I don't even know.
Shot clock.
Shot. I had to take them gloves off, bro.
Hey.
Making it worse.
I got here. Here. You can have that back now, gang.
Oh, yeah.
My hands. I gotta take mine off.
You almost had that bitch. You almost had that bitch.
Because of the board. I can do it on a pat board.
You're right.
Take the board.
Can I catch my breath?
I know somebody got their vape on them. You hit that.
It's in my inside pockets. And my fingers. Fingers like, you know?
I'm not cold.
You tripping.
Look at my.
Get that bitch, Gary. I can't. You know what I'm saying?
No homo. Well, y'all think something because I don't know how y'all be thinking now.
He's like, no, y'all be thinking now.
Bro, I keep slipping because these are really like.
I want you to lick my fingers like that shit gonna do something.
Yeah, these supposed to be from mud, not snow. This is like a military boot. They is military boots.
See, Buddha got them gloves, bro. They feel like my shit finna fall off, G.
Hey, you know where my gloves at? At work. Alright. Alright, we all going down
Who?
at the same time?
I ain't lying, I'm done.
Oh,
I ain't lying, I'm done. My shit hurt.
Yeah, that's all you had to say, gang.
We can build a snowman or something, but going back down and coming back up, oh man, nigga, that ain't no joke. Oh yeah, going down and up ain't no joke.
Damn, I don't got trailer no more? That shit crazy.
Chat. Chat. Hey, chat. You gonna get everybody that's a cameraman though. That's foul. I'm cameraman, nigga. You supposed to be getting King K or something. Oh, here we go. Get right. Oh, he dug it. Oh. Oh, bam.
Why you running, Buddha? Hey, my hands got cold now.
Huh?
Gonna lie.
Oh, my shit freezing. Oh man, he on you. Ow! Oh my, there it is. There it is. There we is. Got some action. I got some action for the tube. Got some action for the tube.
You got some action. That's about all you can get now.
Oh my God.
No.
Oh! Look at I like that shit. I like that. You go. Oh! Jack. How you gonna get me? I'm coming, man. There we go. Don't run from me, P. Don't run from me, P. Oh!
Damn,
All
my
right,
shit.
y'all.
Well, my shit freezing. Nah, give me that one, cuz. I can hold it. I can't hold that one. Oh!
That nigga gone.
Bam! Did he even make it down?
Nah, he stopped. Because you know we leave. Okay, my hand's about frozen.
About. My shit is frozen right now.
Y'all ready?
We got defrost, boy.
I'll try to.
Okay, bro, grab that big gang. I ain't lying. Grab that big gang.
Yeah, kid, just walk a little bit more, okay?
Hey, it's alright, shit.
It's time to get the new one.
Like, damn, play, you good?
I'm tired.
Look, check this, everybody out of this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how niggas be out here for hours. You talking about Beach Mountain? I probably ain't in the right gear though.
Yeah, we not in the right gear.
That's what it is, the right gear for this shit.
I mean, we got maybe jacket, but I got the right jacket on.
As far as like hands go, boy, I could probably punch a brick wall right now and don't feel that bitch.
No, that shit got hurt.
Yeah.
I thought I lost my phone. I was about to say that shit over with.
So you lost your shit? Now we about to go back for that motherfucker.
That bitch was gonna be in the snow. How we gonna find it?
Damn, you ain't lying. Just call and listen. You gone?
Here in a minute, hell yeah, we all about to leave.
Hey, I'm just dapping you up, nigga. Yeah, warn that bitch up. You might well get the front, fool.
Huh?
You might well get the front.
Okay, you want to sit in?
Damn, chat. Hold on, be right back. This shit going on the vlog, nigga. We might gotta push that bitch.
Push it.
Yeah, we might gotta push that bitch. Shit, oh, chat, nigga, we gonna have to pull towards the little side type. Oh, shit. Yeah, well, I thought we gonna have to pull, but then nigga Pat said, watch this.
And I just slipped.
No. Nigga P said, watch this. Nigga, fuck is you talking about? Get right, P. Get right, P. Oh, man, get that thing. There it is. His shit just sliding, cuz. Yeah, yup. Go ahead and park it, nigga. Yeah, that shit on with, gang. You might as well just pull that bitch just straight ahead right there. No bullshit. I don't even know what the fuck been going on. Oh, my fault, OG. Okay, you gonna try the front. You gonna try the front, y'all. It's nice and breezy.
That's all it is. That shit over. Get that board out there.
Yeah, shit over. Chat technical difficulties. My nigga just gonna pull it around, pull it up, so I'll tell you shit. No, he gonna pull it. Come on now. Come on now. Make that. Yep, there you go. There you go. There you go.
Baby, welcome to the hood. If you with us, you good. Yeah, Cincy, wooed up. Backpacks full of rulers. Yeah, I got a